Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to use the replace function. So we have one string that is hello world. Using the replace function, there are three arguments to discuss. So we are going to replace 5 characters, which is the middle argument, starting at position 7. This is the first argument, and the third argument is going to be what we are going to replace. So starting from position 7, replace 5 characters, and this is the character to be replaced. Let me run. So you see here, starting from the position 7 is here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Starting from 7 here, go and replace it. So we are going to have this part, but this part is going to be replaced with 5 characters, replace 5 characters. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 characters are here. So these 5 characters are going to be replaced with what? With the universe, which is the first argument here. That is universe. So in order to wrap up, we are going to start at position 7 and we are going to replace 5 characters. And what we are going to replace? This part, the third argument. So using the replace function in strings. Thank you for watching.